Hi, this is Rsin. You are now watching Rsin Math TV. Today, I would like to share how to solve this trigonometric equation. Firstly, let's apply the trigonometric identity. We have 2 times sine x times cos 60 degree with plus cos x times sine 60 degree is equal to cos x cos 30 degree minus sine x sine 30 degree. Let's evaluate. We have 2 times sine x cos 60 degree is 1 over 2 and we plus cos x sine 60 degree is 3 over 2 and this is equal to cos x cos 30 degree is 3 over 2 minus sine x sine 30 degree is 1 over 2. We can now times the entire equation by 2. So we have 2 times 2 divided by 2, which is 2. 2 sine x plus 2 sub 3 cos x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times sub 3, sub 3. And we have cos x and minus 1 sine x. Now let's bring all the terms to the left. When we bring minus to the left, becomes plus. So we have 2 sine x plus 1 sine x is equal to 3 sine x. And so for positive, when we move to the left, becomes minus. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 times sub 3, sub 3. And we have cos x and this is equal to 0. Let's solve this equation by using transformation method. We can let r sine x plus theta is equal to r sine x cos theta plus r cos x sine theta. By comparing, r cos theta is equal to 3 while r sine theta is equal to 3. Since the right hand side of this equation is equal to 0, which means that the value of r is not important, we can simply let r be equal to k and we just have to solve for theta. To solve for theta, we can take the second equation divided by the first equation, which means that we have tangent theta is equal to 3 divided by 3, which implies that theta is equal to arctangent 3 over 3, which is equal to 30 degree. And we recall that we have all science teacher crazy to obtain positive ratios for cos, sine as well as tangent, which means that theta must be within 0 degree to 90 degree, which is the first quadrant. As we can see, 30 degree falls within the first quadrant, so we can accept this value. Now let's substitute the theta that we obtain into the equation that we denote. So which means that from here, since we let r be equal to k, so we have k sine x plus theta is equal to 30 degree and this is equal to the equation that we let. By comparing, the right hand side is equal to 0. Since k times sine x plus 30 degree is equal to 0, which means that sine x plus 30 degree is equal to 0 as well. Now let's solve for x. So we have x plus 30 degree is equal to r sine 0. So which means that we have 0 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. Now let's minus the entire equation by 30 degree. So plus 30 degree minus 30 degree equal to 0. 0 plus x, we have x, and this is equal to 0 degree minus 30 degree, so negative 30 degree. Next, we have 180 minus 30, which is 150. And the last one, we have 360 minus 30, which is equal to 330. Recall that according to the question, x fall within 0 degree to 360 degree. Since this is out of the range, so which means that we should reject this value and hence conclude that x is equal to 150 degree and 330 degree are the solutions for this equation and hence we're done. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.